Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to the Head Start Lab series Volume 5 on music production. Now this is a free tutorial brought to you by the Recording Connection audio program, the only program that gets you inside a real studio where you learn from industry professionals on their equipment. In this video series, we're going to show you everything that you need to know about music production. And all these videos were made from real tutoring sessions at the Recording Connection. So in addition to learning in a real professional studio, all of our students receive free unlimited tutoring sessions while in the program. Let's go ahead and begin. What's up everyone, Eddie Martinez here with the Recording Radio and Film Connection, and welcome back to the Head Start Lab series. Now in this video what we're going to do is we're going to learn how to make that glitchy piano effect. Now this effect has been used in many popular songs in the past, and also it's known as the glitch effect. So you can essentially use this type of effect with many different audio sounds as long as they're long sustaining like guitars or even vocals. So let's get right to it. First thing we're going to start off by doing is we're going to go ahead and listen to our piano. Okay, so nothing too interesting there. What we have here is just a simple, octave progression type of thing going on here. Like I said, it's not too interesting, but we're going to use this, little tip here to make it sound, a lot cooler. So let's go ahead and begin by merging these two tracks. So what I did is I just highlight these two tracks, and I'm going to go ahead and right click and bounce them in place. What I really want to do here is I want to turn them into an audio file. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to go ahead and do a bounce in place, and we're going to rename this glitch effect. Okay, so let's go ahead and capitalize this. All right, awesome. And all this information right here, you can go ahead and make sure that it's set to a new track. We mute the source, which is going to be this audio track right here. We're going to want to go ahead and include the audio tail, which is at the end of the track, and include any volume or panning or automation, all that sort of stuff. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and hit OK. Awesome, so that was pretty quick. Now the next thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to chop this up and spread it out. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make this a little bit larger. Let's go ahead and double click so we get a little bit more space so we can see what we're doing here. We're going to make this a little bit larger. And what I like to do is I usually like to chop everything up into 16th notes. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. So all these little sub measures right here are 16th, note lengths. And we're going to want to go ahead and separate this. And this is actually going to take a little bit of time, but it'll definitely be worth it at the end. Okay. Another thing that you're going to probably want to have is a shortcut key command for the split tool. Mine in particular is Shift and I guess it's the backslash button. So I'm going to go ahead and start cutting this up. And we're going to fast forward a little bit of this, but you guys are going to see what I'm doing here. Okay, awesome. Now that we have everything all cut up, next thing we're going to want to do is move these about a 16th note apart. So again, this is going to take a little bit of time, so just bear with me. We're going to fast forward through this and we're going to see what it looks like at the end. Okay, now that you had everything cut up and moved exactly where you want it, it's time to take a quick listen. So we're going to go ahead and extend this loop to the very end and give it a go. Alright, sounds pretty nice. And you know what? I was actually trying to go for that Dragonette Hello type of vibe, so let's go ahead and see if we can cut this up a little bit more and get it to sound a little bit like that. So It sounds pretty much close enough. I think they were using a different type of instrument, but that was kind of like the chord progression, and this is the type of technique that they use to make that type of effect, that type of sound, that glitchy sound. Like I said before, this does work with vocals, and it does also work with like guitars and other long sustaining noted instruments. So I hope this video was helpful. Go ahead and leave your comments and thoughts down below. I'm Eddie Martinez, and of course, I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching this video, and if you're watching this video and you're not currently enrolled to the Recording Connection, this is only a small taste of what you could be learning in our program. The Recording Connection provides all of our students with industry standard software, like Pro Tools, to take your engineering skills to the next level. We also provide books with excellent lesson plans, a professional studio engineer who will mentor you and show you how to operate real studio equipment, and so much more. With the Recording Connection, getting finance is a breeze. We have many different tuition options, so getting hooked up at a studio near you is fast and easy. For more information, check out www.recordingconnection.com. And of course, I'll catch you guys on the next video.